In today's video, we are still going to be making our breakfast fresh from the farm. Today is Sunday. Oh, it's where? Fresh from the farm. So I want to see if I will harvest this particular yam. That's what I want to use for breakfast. So this one beside it, just this particular one that I want to see if I can harvest. I don't know if you guys are seeing me. Let me see if I can bend it the more. Maybe it will help the more. This is the highest it can go. Are you people seeing it? This is the one I want to harvest, because it's part of the one I put first in the farm. I don't know how big it is though. I pray it's very big. Because if it's not very big, it's going to be disappointing. This particular thing, let me use. There is this thing they use to harvest yam. That one is easier. This one is yam. Yam.
Careful operation.
Huh? Now. You said I should be careful of what? This thing.
I said be careful operation.
This yam is inside though. Tilted inside very well. But it's not that big.
It's thin.
It's really slim.
Like cheddar.
I don't know why yam don't used to form here. If it's water yam, it's better here.
Hey.
But this thing is small. Be careful, it will injure you.
Got bread so that the other side that spikes should be big.
Wait. Be careful. So it doesn't injure you. Hey!
Oh Lord, broke.
But this one will be enough now for us to eat.
Jesus. Wait, is yam or eating?
No, we put this thing in it.
Mama, is it yam?
Potato.
No, we are not putting potato.
Yam or
We'll
what?
use fear. Don't you want it?
No.
Why?
Yam with anything like this.
But this is yam, not you will like it, you will see. This is yam, not the abana. That is not water yam. So this is it. Go and bring that hoe. Go and bring that hoe and that knife.
Yam is even harder than water yam.
I'm going to mix it with pigeon pea. Or is it cow pea they call it? Pigeon pea. Or cow pea. That's what I'm going to mix it with. So
wait, is it pea or pea?
go and bring gas for me. Yeah, just keep quiet. Go and bring gas for me. Bring knife. Let me cut this thing. Chidi, go and bring knife and small bowl. Bring gas here. And then you bring that this thing. Onions I remain yesterday. This is the yam we are cooking. This is the It's small, right? But don't worry. when we finish cooking it. Oh, Lily Davis. Hello, beautiful people from another place. Enjoy your day. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, okay? And you too, okay? This is yam. This is yam. This is yam. Nature gave us. This is the yam. Nature gave us. Okay. My knife is here. Oh. My knife is here. My knife is already here, sir. So this is scent leaf. I'm going to use it to cook this food. This one is scent leaf. Okay. This is the knife. Hi. Just give me small bowl. Be fast. See. Hi. Give me bowel, that black bowel. Be fast, Uzo. Please bring it. Yes. Yes. Be fast. No, not big. Oh. It's not big. Chigazrim. Give me that thing. Let me peel this yam inside. I'm going to peel this yam. Yes, that is thing. So if you did not see when I was harvesting it, you missed. I want to peel this thing inside here. The back of the yam. So this is the yam. I want to mix it with pigeon pea. No. Fio. Fio. That's the name. Fio. Hey, leave that thing. Leave that thing, please, so that it will not scatter.
Hey, look at this.
Stop it. Oh, Baba, stop it.
Daddy wants to speak to you.
Okay, Daddy. Daddy, good morning, sir. Namo. Yes, sir. I didn't. I neshi Gina Fio. Okay, sir. Okay. Yes, sir. Okay. Okay, sir. Okay. Mba, the man who you know that time. I'm not you know. Okay, sir. No problem, sir. The man I know na bopota jinani. Guptere mo funchori shikita. All right, sir. Okay.
Hello?
All right, oh. Sorry. Ego Brajam. Hi. Sorry, oh.
I don't know whether you.
That's my daddy speaking to me on phone. Mama love. Hi. Hello. I just harvested this yam right now, okay? And I harvested it from the ground right now. This is me trying to cook the yam. And we cook it, wash it. I think Uzo, go and get me water here. Just get me water so that I can be feeding it direct. Oh. Ooh. Be fast. You are going to go and bring down that fio so that they will see what we are doing. Bring down the fio. I had to prepare it yesterday because it takes a lot of time to cook. It's beans. It's called pigeon pea. I don't know if you guys have it in your side. Good morning, Mama Love. Good morning, Ma. I can see you. I can see you. Please thumbs up this live for me. Click on the like button for me.
And subscribe.
Don't forget to like this live.
And subscribe.
This is my children safe. They can disturb for Africa. Is well. So this is yam.
Where are you in which continent?
My family is fine, Mama Love. We are all doing great. We are all doing very, very great. Okay? This is white yam. Very delicious. Naturally delicious. You know? Very sweet.
The gray hair in your neck.
Filled with carbohydrates. Though, hey! Why is it? Stop it, stop it. People should stop it. Nico. Go to where?
I like this slapping.
We are fine. And you?
I like the slapping of malams.
I'm going to fetch another water for me.
Slapping of malams.
Stop slapping that boy.
You are going to bend this
Slapping.
this thing the more, so that they can be seeing what I'm doing. Because I don't think they are even seeing what I'm doing. It's even good that he bent it the other time. Let me bend it the more. I don't know.
Is it vertical?
Oh, you raise it up.
If they raise it up, they won't be seeing what I'm doing. Okay? This is what I'm doing.
Raise it to the sky. You drop
This
it
is
to
the
your
head of the
mommy's
yam.
hair.
So most times head of the yam, we make it to be, because it takes a lot of time to boil. Stop, give me pot now. Give me that pot I used yesterday. Please, be fast. Be fast. Also bring matches. Matches along.
I bring another knife.
Bring the giant one. And bring matches too.
And bring another knife.
Ooh. Guys, I wish you're here when I finish cooking this food now, so that you guys will eat it. Oh, you will love it. You will so love it.
Mommy.
You will so love the yam. Yeah? No, don't cut it. Leave it. I'll do that myself.
I can cut it. Chili. Cut it.
No, don't cut anything there. Leave it now. Okay, y'all? Yes, this is breakfast I'm making. I'm making our breakfast.
We are not going to eat night food.
Stop it! Stop it! Ah, this thing will scratch you. It will scratch you. This yam can scratch you. As you're seeing this thing like this, if it should touch you, wash his hand. It's going to scratch him, please. Wash his hand there.
Washing hand is even more worse.
Ah. 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 Eh. Ala, that's what's the name? Yeah, it destroyed my listing. Go, please. It's not this pot. The other one we use in cooking. I told you to wash.
And you're bringing a teacher.
This thing will scratch you.
You will cry, you will touch today, you all your body, you know. They tell you you are not here.
It's very funny.
Yeah, yes.
You know, we are going to put fear of fear now, so it should be enough. That's what they say. When troubles comes my way, I will praise your name. This yam that I peel it like my grandmother. The way I'm not cooking everything. How can I cook everything? I'll just fetch some from it and cook. I'm not cooking everything. Yee! Tell him to bring the pot. He should make it fast. It's forevermore. You are worthy, Lord, to be praised another. Yeah, at least you're sure that there's nothing like fertilizer in this yam. You see this yam? No fertilizer, no nothing. Just natural. Just that's natural. Nature. Eh? If nature did not bring it, don't eat it. Eh? So this is nature. You saw me harvesting it right now. And look at me washing it. This is yam, white yam. After washing it now, I'm going to put it on fire together with, see, yesterday I prepared this pigeon pea. See it? I prepared the pigeon pea yesterday. I full it inside here. This is beans, pigeon pea. I put it in the freezer like this. So I'm going to cook it today, right now. Yeah. Please thumbs up this live stream for me. Click the like button. Click the. There is no. Click the like button. So this is me. Ebony State, live in Abakaliki. Oh, Chidi, Chigozrim, please go and get me matches so that I can on that gas immediately and put it on fire, okay? So I'm trying to wash it off because you saw that when I was harvesting it, there was sand, a lot of sand that came out with it. So after washing it off now, I'll put it on fire. If it's my grandmother, she used to eat this side though. And sometimes I used to wonder, whether there is anything that is attached to long life with this part of the yam. Because my grandmother back then, she will peel her yam will be like this. This is the way she will cook it. And she lived up to 120 something years. She just died some years ago, like 5 years ago. And I'm wondering whether this is her secret of long life. She used to peel her yam, You see the way the back of the yam is like this. It will show this back of yam like this. Some of them will remain. And I'm wondering if it's part of her secret of long life. Honestly. Because what again does, aside from that, early in the morning, she must trek. She must trek to those her daughter's house. You know, it's exercise. Yeah, she will go and visit all her daughter because all of them are married in the village there. She'll go and visit all of them in the morning. Then she'll come back. She'll wake up like 5 a.m. She will sweep that's our veranda, sweep the compound. It will be neat. She will now stand up, go and visit all her daughter. Then she will come back. She used to eat all this yam, all these things. They say carbohydrate. My grandmother will eat yam. She will eat everything carbohydrate for you. Yet she lived 123 years. She was very strong. She wasn't doing any special thing that I can say, or taking any special medication or supplement. Nothing. Just nature. Uzachuku, where's the pot? So this is it. And our next ingredients, I've shown you people the pigeon pea. This is our yam. Then the next thing is this scent leaf that we cut from the farm. I had to harvest this one with onion. This onion that we are going to use. So we are going to use like 4 onion because I love onion being enough in the food. Okay. So let me show you our scent leaf. This is our scent leaf. Scent leaf is too much here. And even you people are close, I'll tell you, come and be. If I come and pack enough, see scent leaf. Our scent leaf is doing so marvelously well. Look at our scent leaf. Look at. Oh my goodness. And this is lemongrass. That one is lemongrass there, over there. This is our yam, the one we've not eaten. It's just one I went to harvest. I went to harvest one yam. This is onubo. What do they call it? Water leaf. Okay. This is water leaf. This one is water leaf. So anything I want to, any vegetable I want to use and cook, Anything I'm cooking, I just go and fetch my vegetable and put inside and just be eating. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Oh my goodness. So, Uzachukwu, where's the pot now? Where's the pot I want to cook with? He's still washing pots. Can you imagine that? You're washing pots for how many hours? You're washing pots for how many hours? So this is my onion. Let me cut it. Before he will bring the pot, let me start cutting the onion. The way onion is expensive now. I don't understand what's happening.
Now, why are you making noise?
That pot that you... Okay. Oh yeah, fetch water from the tap. Go and fetch water there and bring it. Let me use it and rinse the yam second time because of sand. You know, we just harvested this thing direct from the soil right now. Woo! Let me keep this thing here. No more slimy. See the pot where I'm putting it. Oh yeah. When you are rinsing this thing, rinse it down because there's a lot of sand inside. Please, be fast. Pour it away and bring it. Let me turn this thing inside it. Above all earth, let the glory be above all the earth. Bring gas for me here. Let me run it.
How those are boxes that are coming? You guys will send this box to them.
Keep it. Oh yeah. On the gas. Why are you shifting it? Did I tell you to shift it?
Because it's full in
No,
the gas.
Raise it up. Just raise it up. How? You break that thing now.
Oh, like that. Do I know how to touch it?
Okay. Where is matches? Light it. The glory be. Give me plates. Let me fetch the plates that I'm going to use.
It's as if the gas is transparent, sir.
What?
I said it's almost as if the gas is transparent.
Go and give me that plates that have cover. Did you hear me?
Plate that have cover.
Pots that have cover.
That's silver empty.
Yes. No, the bigger one of it. The bigger one. Yes. Excuse me. Go out of there.
Oh, that's it.
Eh?
I just remember. This pot is too big for what I want to cook. So I'm going to change the pot when he comes. I'll change it because this is just more yam I'm going to put, but more of beans. Because I want the food to be highly proteinous. Stand up, Baba. Go and get this your chair. Go and get your own.
You guys should be locking that place. There's rats in this place. All rats. Go and be locking that door.
You don't know because of that cage, because of the chicken or something.
Mommy,
don't know that there
what
must
is
be
inside
rats.
that farm?
You don't
Mommy,
know.
And what is inside that farm? Me and she decide.
What did they be doing inside there?
They are looking for food. Against it.
What
They are
does it
looking for
itself?
food now. If they have opportunity, they will enter inside the house and go and
It's
oh
true.
yeah,
But there's no possible way.
and go and enjoy themselves.
How would they climb it?
Rat can
So
even
this
climb
is
wall.
it.
Smaller
pots. So we'll cover it now.
Eh? Okay.
I'm trying to clean my onion. The onion I'm going to use and cook. That's what I'm trying to clean now.
Move your head there, Cedric. Come and sit down.
Ah yeah.
That is that's
Ah yeah.
you people don't go.
Ah yeah.
You people don't go to God.
Ah yeah. Ah yeah. Ah yeah. Ah yeah. Oh yeah, shout hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah,
All the best friend there, man.
hallelujah.
Papa.
I don't know.
Pa.
Maybe we should buy more chairs that we are going to be sitting outside.
This one's going to be chair. Just wait till you buy it. This one.
The one that is strong, didn't they break it? They even broke the one that have leg, this type of leg that is very strong. They broke it. It's only this one that survived. So what are you saying? Okay, these ones that are very, very strong, this innocent chair that is very, very strong, did they break it? They still destroyed it. Imagine that very big table, they still spoiled it. So if they want to spoil it, they will spoil it. Even if you like, go and buy your own chair, they will still spoil it if they want to.
Wah, wah.
They are very playful. They will play. You buy them toy, they will destroy it. Me, I'm tired though. Anyone they spoil, they've spoiled it. I'm not even putting my mind in all those things. It's just that when they grow up, when I come to their house, I'm going to make sure I spoil things for them too. I'll climb their bed. You see you Chigozrim, I'll come to your house, climb your bed and be matching it the way you are matching my own. I'll be matching it for you like that. Why are you laughing? That's what I'll do to you. You don't know. Me, I'm waiting for you. Okay, you fix everything. If you're rich, you fix everything. Can you imagine that if he's rich, he will fix me that I'm not rich now, that I cannot fix everything, right? Oh, don't worry, you will be rich in Jesus' name. You will have money to fix, then you will know that it's not easy for somebody to have money and they are destroying his thing. You will not know how painful it is. I'll do it to you. I'm waiting for you. Yeah? You, what is your hand doing here now? Eh? What is your hand doing here? Get out.
Oh, yeah, come on.
Leave me alone.
Come and sit down here.
Leave me alone. Let me pour this in the bottle. Uzachuku! Bring plates and rubber for me. I'll peel onions and put. Chico. I don't know what they are doing upstairs. Bring 2 of the stainless stainless plates for me. Be fast. Two stainless plates. Those deep ones. Bring them. The deep stainless plates, 2 of them. Bring them here. Baba, come and carry this thing. Go and pour in that ugu, that pumpkin, that ugu, that big one. Pour the water there. Take. You know, rain is not falling again. Be pouring it there so that the pumpkin will be making big fruits. Let me go and show you guys the pumpkin. Why our food is getting ready. Once it boils now, it's ready. Let me show you guys the pumpkin. You see, nothing excites me like I farm something and it's doing well. If it's not doing well, it's something that will make you to cry. Let me show you guys. See where I say he should pour water. This is the pumpkin. Can you imagine? See how fat the pumpkin this thing is doing. See the fruits. It has started producing fruits. I don't know if you're seeing it. Okay? Can you see it? I don't know if you're seeing it. See the fruits too. Very big one. Just, it's still young, go. Imagine how big it will be when it's ready. Just look at the leaves. Very fat. Look at them. Very fat. Fat. Look at them going up there. Very fat. I mistakenly cut some when I wanted to cook food. And I mistakenly cut them. And if not, that only that particular pumpkin was making like about 8 fruits. But I mistakenly cut it off when I was trying to cook one stew like that. So anyway, it's there, Sha. It's there. The most important thing is that I'm enjoying my small home backyard farming. I'm enjoying my small backyard farming. Let me cover our cooking area. Okay.
You're making fresh chicken from farm now. 1.4 kg. That one is
See it. Nothing like all this chopping it like. Bring the bread oil for me that I'll use in cooking. See, my yam is boiling. Oh, you know that this yam is fresh from farm now, so it's going to be ready on time. It's not going to take time to get cooked. Just it's not even up to 1 minute or 2 minutes like that. It's already ready.
when I boil
To not take time. It will take time when it has dried. Yes. By then the water it has
It's not your name, Federico.
the water have left it. Ooh. So you left it? Huh? You left it? Or you just brought it down now? Keep it there. You just brought it down now, you left it. Shake it very well.
I like red oil.
This is my onion. It's ready. Get me water here.
I never hate yam or beans.
Our yam is ready. Oh. See.
Mama, I say I love food.
You love food. The what?
Stop that thing!
The yam is ready. Oh. Come. Yes, now yam, fresh yam doesn't take 1 minute to cook. Taste it now. It's hot. It's very hot. But I like it to be very, very soft. They're enjoying the thing. It's ready, right? Okay. This is very early in the morning, but because this is Africa, what's the time now? 9. Okay, it's almost past time for vitamin D. The next one will be ultraviolet ray. The heat. This yam is scratching me. How much more you? You are forming James Bond. You are forming James Bond.
Meh. Meh.
Tell your brothers to give me baskets. They should give me basket and that stick fork or spoon that I'm using. Yes. Just can you imagine what this boy is doing? Can you imagine what this boy is doing? I don't know if it was I did not give him enough. I gave him the same way I gave others. Others were not disturbing me. But this one just keep disturbing me. Ah. What is it? Yeah, no. I'm going to turn the water out. Woo! Oh yeah, bring it. Don't put it on it, so you know that thing is dead. Sorry. The yam is ready. Woo! Come bring Maggie, be fast. Maggie and salt. Get out. This one should be enough. This one should be enough for everybody now.
Yeah, return this one.
Can't drop one. Oh, wait.
Return this one.
Go and put this thing inside the freezer.
That one should be enough. I just want it to be hot.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, go, 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 go.
Go.
Stand up on my seat.
Oh, so I'm still cutting the vegetables. This scent leaf, oh, we are going to use it to cook. So you see that this food, we have all the classes of food in it. It will have carbohydrates, it will have oil, fat and oil. It's going to have enough, fiber from the vegetable. It's going to have protein from the cowpea. All the classes of food will be embedded in one. In fact, you can even just eat the food and for the day, and that will be all. So let me add this thing. This is it.
What?
Yes. Oh yeah, come now. Bring plates and come and assist me here if you want to. I wasn't calling you, Sha. Why you say they should bring plate and spoon? Is the food ready? Yee. So this is the vegetable. I'm cutting it. I showed you guys the vegetable over there, right? It's called nchuang. So this is it. I want this thing to boil so that it will be very hot. But it's already ready before I put it in the freezer.
I thought there were 2 plates. 2 of this thing. Second one is there.
Keep the plates there. That place that.
No.
Can you hear me? Keep them on top of that place. Sit. On top of that thing.
Why do you put it? On top of that thing. This thing.
Come and give me another water.
breakfast before this video will be. How many minutes is the video now? 44 minutes. Whoa!
Mama, is it done?
No, it's not yet ready. Just 3 minutes more. Keep it there. The water not too much.
Put it here. Put the plate, please.
I just want to rewash the vegetable. Give it a second wash there.
I just took my iPhone.
Chidi! Bring that pepper in the freezer. Go before you put some for me here. Go. Pua. Go and sit down with your daddy before you put some here. Blocked? No problem. It will melt. Woo! Go. Go. I will soon beat you. I'm going to here now.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
Oh, this boy is disturbing me. Who's Achukwu? What is he even doing upstairs? What are they even doing upstairs?
Call him officer.
Go and call him.
What rubbish is that? Playing game with this Then you come and sit down. Then she come and sit down. Sit down.
Come here. Please fetch water and go and pour in that pumpkin because I told you should be pouring that ugu water every day. I know why. Yes, go and pour water there so that the thing can be producing. Because rain is no longer falling. No, it's not falling somewhere. It has not fallen since 2 days now. Every day you need to water that farm, morning and evening. Every day you need to water it, morning and evening if possible, but at least once in a day.
Call him, both of you do that thing. Call him. Give me that mic so let me watch.
I thought I bought some orangara seed. Where is it? Yes. Go and look for garden egg seed upstairs for me. Please bring it.
In the freezer.
Who put it in the freezer?
Let's put it.
On the table where I left it now.
Next week, let me give you.
On top of the dining table.
Did you give them the shot?
Mommy, is it with that thing that I circle?
Yes. Go and bring
I
it.
saw it.
Nobody should put it in the freezer. Oh, I did not tell them to put it in the freezer. I practically kept it myself. I did not give any instruction.
There.
You have told them that they should keep it. They should not put it in the freezer.
No, well, why would they even put something that I did not send them to put in the freezer? In the freezer?
And everybody can do it. President can do it.
Except, anyway, the children will not do that. Anything you did not send them, they won't. They will not put it there. The only person that might put it there is you. Maybe you did not know. They can't put it in. Why would they put it in the freezer? Bring it. You are disturbing me. It has even changed from green. It's becoming yellow.
Ojo, I didn't inside that thing. That beans.
No, I'm not going.
If you will not eat it, that's none of my business. Me, I will eat. Eh? You don't like healthy things. What you like is, if they say mineral and biscuit now, you will be jumping. Tea and bread, you will jump. If they want to cook good food that will be healthy in your bloodstream, you will say no.
Light brown. Check in those the rubber so that you left it there. I will travel with
Good food that will help your blood, you will say no. If it's mineral and biscuit now, you go. Something that will be good for your body, you say no.
This is the land share too. Half of this is the bottom down. That's not the land share.
That's it. And that shirt is not torn. No. What will happen is maybe the person removed it and kept it on the ground, then the other person now use it for fire. Now use it to clean the ground. That's how they do in this house now.
What did they do? Eh? What did you do?
This thing is taking time to boil.
Chilebe! Wow.
Come here. You need plant up there to put the person in the food. But yeah, go and carry the food and take it. Just carry the bucket, fill it. Press on the food. Press to tight that one. Press to tight the one. Press to tight. Press to tight. How many water do you drink on that 30 minutes? I will see my water. I will see my water.
Chidebere!
It's very easy.
Who's uncle?
Yes.
Chidi, come, let me give you work. Because my this thing a boy. It's time to cook. It's time to cook. Go and give your daddy. Oh.
I do it on the last ground one. Sometimes it can be touching on the ground or what?
Go and give it to your daddy.
Carry 2 pegs. There's 1 peg there. Use the other one. Stop wasting my water. Stop wasting my water.
Yeah. Take. Peel it for me fast. Be fast.
Papi said you have to drink my water now.
Can you carry that one now? Can you carry it?
Mm-hmm. I'm done.
One can carry it.
No. Stop. Ooh.
It's okay. Yeah, carry the one you can carry.
Yeah. Go. Let me start. Go. This boy will soon put sand inside this food for me. Oh.
Come and sit down. Say she come and sit down. You put them, you give me your own. Okay? Okay?
Peel it for me. Peel it. When you peel it, you put it here. Come and take this. Be putting it inside there. Oh. What is it?
What are you eating?
This one is eating it. What? You don't let it to fry. No, we are not frying it. We are not frying it. Leave here now. Just healthy food, you know. Me. Sweet. I'm going to phone again. Hello? Who is there? Chop. Yes, so. Senior chop. Who is there? Julie. Peace. Hey, I hope you're enjoying my cooking. My cooking. My cooking. I dey tell you. So this is our pepper. Pepper. We don't want to put too much because children are eating. So they will not shout pepper. Pepper. Eh? So salt. Soup. There's a nubo now. It's blocked. There's no how I can remove it. Just carry the full rubber. But when you are coming, bring back my package for me. No, there's one that is already half. You carry that one. Sure? That one that we've started eating from. The big one? Yes, half. Okay. Half of it. Half of it or all of it? No, the one that we've started eating from. We've already started. No, you don't like onubo. So this is our yam. Leave this thing. See what? I want to pieces it. Let it be smaller. Better. Yes.
I want that.
Even by what I would have done to it is mortar. I would have pounded it. Yes. But there's no mortar.
There's mortar.
Why is that,
Mama?
No, it's not that kind of grinding. It's just okay.
I need to, Mama.
Stop!
I need to, Mama.
Am I what? I'm piecing the yam, making it to be smaller. So it's easy for chewing. Nobody take that. So you can use your spoon and just fetch it straight away. What is wrong with you?
What you are doing? Don't know.
I just want to water my face. I'll beat you. Stop pouring water on me. Sarambara. Zirimozo memumae.
Mama, first of all on the floor.
Sarambara. Izirimnozo memumae. Sorry, Baba. Sorry. Ndo? When they tell him to sit down in one place, he's just busy. He's stopping. And he's crying. Sorry. Sorry, yeah? Idebe sarambara. Izirimnozo memumae. See my vegetable.
Then devil's water.
Formula 1. Bara. Izirimnozo memumae. Bara. Izirimnozo Are you not ready with this? Are you not ready with that thing?
It's not ready. Mommy, who puts more now? Just like that. Now, you know, you're not allowed the person that's giving to help. The ungrateful man be me.
It's doing the opposite of helping.
I don't blame you. You're very ungrateful.
I'm cooking yam and fio. That's yam, white yam, and pigeon pea. Pigeon pea.
Federico.
Very delicious.
Sorry, yeah? Don't do Formula 1.
See.
Woo! Sorry. Yes, I don't do Formula 1.
Take. I don't know if this pepper came out. Many small. Yeah, return this one. It's not good enough for you.
I eat pepper stick so much.
Take. So we'll finish before the sun will get here.
Mommy, too much
Chidi, bring it. Bring that rubber. Bring the one you've done.
pepper.
Bring the one you've done. Seeds. Pigeon pea.
I thought
Highly proteinous.
Mommy, I thought you were not teacher. You can even do it. What are you saying?
Concussion. Amazing grace.
Mommy. We need oil. Mommy. We need more red oils to make that red. I like more oil. It will make it more sweet.
Amazing grace. Wow. Yeah, watch this thing. Watch this thing. Watch this thing. Take it inside. Watch all of them. Take them inside. Let's choose one.
Mommy. Mommy, pigeon pea is still inside.
Okay, stay inside here. Woo. 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 This thing is very hot too.
Mommy,
You carry all these things inside. That this one inside, this one inside, that one inside.
all of this tree inside. Is it? Mommy, even this one.
Hello. Red vegetable oil plus vegetable, white yam. How are you doing? How are you doing what? Oh, Father. Let it rain. Stop that. Stop. Oh, yeah, show me what you're showing me. Show me what you're showing me. You finally touch it. Oh, yeah, oh, yeah, oh, yeah. Go. Give me that plate. Let me use this one. It's ready. Oh. I just want it to heat up. I just want it to heat up. Mm-mm. So this is it. We are ready to take our breakfast. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Bring that plate. Let me put for everybody. Because this is already after 10. Add this one. Give it. Because of you saw the ugly pie. It's not like that too. It's very tasty. What is God said? The thing is very tasty. Now let's give it something kind of. So bye bye. Love you. This is it. Ready. Ready. Our meal is ready. Uzo, come. You know you don't like what's his name? Uzo. He doesn't like this. In case you should give me one. Let me eat it.
I like yam. They don't do like yam. You like that?
And this is my own. How did you see? Very fine, right? Sweet? How did you see? Bye-bye. You can off the light.
Where is off it? Pause it.
Bring it.
Close.
Ah.